CBD has been a widespread phenomenon. With that has also come a lot of curiosity. With current studies, CBD has been suggested to help maintain a healthy bodily system through stimulation of our natural endocannabinoid system. However, there has been a lot of uncertainty regarding its legality. CBD comes from the hemp plant, which is completely legal to grow given you have a license. The hemp plant contains little to no THC in it, 0.2 to 0.3%. In case you don't know, THC is associated with that high feeling that is commonly associated with the effects of marijuana. It acts more like a drug. Broad spectrum CBD only has a trace amount of THC in it, meaning it shouldn't show up on drug tests. Even though 0.2% is negligible, it's unclear how much THC is allowed in UK CBD products. CBD products have recently just been considered a novel food. A novel food is defined as a type of food that does not have a significant history of being consumed in the past. This means before they can be sold legally in the UK market, the foods are required to go through a pre-market safety assessment and authorization. Despite this, CBD products are expanding around the world, and most CBD companies haven't been adhering to this regime. So, as a response, the UK Food Standards Agency, or the FSA, decided to set a clear deadline, stating that by March 31st, 2021, all CBD products need to be submitted and validated in the NFA. Brands that are not compliant with the regime will be removed from the shelves. Meaning, right now, over-the-counter CBD is not a controlled substance. The UK legislation says it's legal to grow industrial hemp containing up to 0.2 THC with a license. This can be misunderstood though, as technically, this doesn't apply to products. The legal limit of THC in finished products are meant to be 0%. Some research suggests that a lot of over-the-shelf commercially sold CBD products actually contain more THC in them than the guided limit, from anywhere from 0.1 to 0.5%. Still virtually nothing, but it's over the guidelines, so you can see why it gets confusing. Now, as we said, hemp is legal to grow provided you have a license, but that strict limit the UK have set isn't currently being enforced. It could be seen as unrealistic as CBD and THC can come from the same plant. To have 100% pure CBD in all products could actually lead to the over-refinement of CBD. The current regulations, simply put, are complex and vague. Also, there isn't currently a standardized way of testing CBD products or labeling them. Different products have different regulations which can be confusing. For example, CBD oil in the UK is classified as a food supplement. But keep in mind, most people use CBD oil as a medicine. This means shelf CBD oil wouldn't have gone through the tests like medicine would normally go through, meaning that over-the-shelf sellers aren't allowed to make any health claims. One negative to this is that the dosage guidelines and prices can vary significantly between products. So, if you're planning on traveling with CBD, you should check with the country you're going to and see what their regulations are, as it is currently a grey area. Thankfully, clearer regulations are coming out that we at Either Pure are consistently staying on top of. And there is a lot of independent researchers out there looking more into CBD every day. We'd suggest looking at some reports and evidence of compliance when buying off any CBD seller. But the good news is, the regulation in March next year will go a long way to clearing up the industry by setting guidelines that CBD sellers have to meet, which is good for the consumer. Well everyone, we hope you enjoyed today's video. Expect more videos to come talking about CBD oil, how you should use it, and much more. On our website, we sell CBD balm, oil, and capsules. If you want to try it out for yourself or some buddies of yours, you can send a coupon to your friends and you both benefit from £10 off your next order. To stay up to date, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. We'll see you next time.